In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see sent follower requests on Instagram. On your Instagram profile page, tap onto these three lines and head to Settings. You will want to select Account Center. Scroll down onto your information and permissions. Select on this very first option of Download your information. Choose on Download or Transfer your information. You will then select on Some of your information. Navigate onto this option of Connections and tap on Select All. Tap on Next. Mark on Download to Device and tap on Next. You will want to choose the appropriate data range for the requests you were sent and tap on Save. You will then choose your email for notification. For the format, select HTML. Leave media quality as it is and tap on Create Files. Now once the request is sent, get back to the download page. Under Available Downloads, you will see your request. Tap on Download. Enter your password to proceed. It will redirect to a browser to download. Now once done, you will then get to your files. Open your download folder. Open the unzipped folder with your Instagram name. Select Connections. Head to Followers and Following. Select onto this file marked Pending Follow Request. You will find all your pending follower requests. That's how easy it is to see all your sent follower requests on Instagram. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.